today we're going to go over how to change the batteries in the Jazzy Elite HD. This also works for the Jazzy Elite 14. It's pretty simple. We're going to start with unscrewing these tabs back here, these two yellow tabs. Then this back plate is going to come off. And now you can see the batteries. Pretty straightforward. There's a little Velcro strap holding them in. You want to undo that. Like that. Then you can unplug your two battery cables from here. From there, the batteries just slide out. There's one, and the second one is back here. From there, you want to take the cables off the batteries. You want to remove these little terminal covers. Then you have a bolt that's holding the cable on. This bolt is usually a 1/2 inch, but it can be 13 millimeter or even 14 millimeter, depending on the bolt or the battery that was used. This one is 13 millimeter, so you want to undo the bolt. And then slide your cable off. Once you have your new battery, you want to attach the cables to the new batteries with the black going to black, red going to red, or negative to negative and positive to positive. You want one cable per battery. You're not going to run them in a series. So you'll put the little cable through the terminal, slide this on. Your batteries will probably come with a little lock nut or a little lock washer, and then a regular nut. Tighten it, and with your two wrenches, make sure it is firm and it's not going to be loose. Once it's tight, you see this cable is not going to move anywhere. Put your terminal cover on, and then do that for all terminals on both of your batteries. Now that you have your cables on your batteries, you're going to slide them back into the battery compartment. You want to make sure this strap is going over the top of your batteries. That is what's going to secure them in. And then these two plugs will plug in on the sides here. And then this cable will loop through. Pull it tight, and then secure the Velcro on the inside. You'll take your back cover, slide it back on, and then tighten these two yellow screws. And you'll be all set.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.